Hi there, this is Tina from ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken stir fry with eggplants and tomatoes. First we're going to marinate the chicken. Combine chicken with a tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of rice wine, and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While you're waiting for the marinade, cut 2 Chinese eggplants into chunks and place it in a bowl filled with water. Add salt and either vinegar or lemon juice and mix well. Allow it to soak for about 15 minutes. This will help the eggplants kind of keep its color. Cut 1 medium tomato into wedges. In a cooking pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and when the oil is hot, add roughly chopped garlic and stir fry for about a minute. And then add the chicken. Stir fry chicken and garlic together until the meat is slightly browned. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for me. Then remove from heat and set aside. Back into cooking pan, add a little bit more oil if the pan is dry, then add your tomato wedges. Stir fry for about 2 minutes or until the tomatoes begin to soften. Then add your eggplants. Add a tablespoon of chili bean paste, aka doubanjiang. Add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I actually prefer the vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce instead of the regular oyster sauce. I think it's more flavorful. Add a teaspoon of sugar and a tablespoon of rice wine and stir fry for about 5 minutes or until the eggplants soften. This timing can vary depending on your stove. After the eggplants soften, add chicken back into the pan. Now stir fry everything together until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. And then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you cook chicken stir fry with eggplants and tomatoes. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.